Finished off with the chemical properties of metals. But now on to non-metals. So chemical properties of non-metals. What are these properties of non-metals? Similar to metals, we are going to study the reaction with oxygen, water, acids, chlorine and hydride. Let's see whether they do react with all of them. Don't worry. Reaction of non-metals with oxygen. Now, sir, how do they react? Non-metals are negative. Oxygen is also negative. So, negatives should repel. How do they react? They form covalent bonds, meaning over here the non-metals share electrons with each other. Let's see, non-metals react with oxygen to form acidic oxides or neutral oxides. Wait a second, sir, non-metal oxides are acidic, metal oxides are basic. There were two amphoteric oxides also. But what are these neutral oxides? Neutral oxides meaning they are neither acidic nature, neither basic in nature. So what are these neutral oxides? Let's see. First, let's study about these acidic oxides. Carbon is a non-metal. When carbon burns in air, it reacts with oxygen to form an acidic oxide called as carbon dioxide. So carbon, when reacts with oxygen, it reacts with O2, obviously, because it is diatomic. C as in coal. You can see this reaction happening with coal. Coal, when burned, it reacts with oxygen to form a gas called as carbon dioxide. Carbon valency 4, oxygen valency 2, cut, crisscross CO2. Very clearly, carbon dioxide is acidic oxide. Why, sir? Because it forms acid when reacted with water. Acid rain. H2O plus CO2 gives you carbonic acid. Similar to that, there is one more acidic oxide, which is sulfur. Sulfur is a non-metal. When sulfur is burnt in air, it reacts with oxygen of air to form an acidic oxide called sulfur dioxide. So the sulfur valency is just 1. So it should react with oxygen. Sorry, sulfur's valency is 2, not 1. Get clear with your valency chart. Sulfur's valency is 2. Oxygen's valency is 2. Cut, crisscross, it should form sulfur monoxide. But over here, because oxygen is reacting in the diatomic state, sulfur and oxygen form a gas called as sulfur dioxide. And sulfur dioxide being more stable than sulfur monoxide, it does not even change into sulfur monoxide. So this sulfur dioxide, when reacts with water, it forms a combination reaction and forms sulfurous acid, not sulfuric, sulfurous acid, that is H2SO3. So let's see the reactions. Oh, wait a second. What are these neutral oxides? Carbon monoxide, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen dinitrogen oxide, and then dihydrogen oxide. What is this dihydrogen oxide? Water, my dear student. You drink it almost every day. Do you ever complain about acidity when you drink a lot of water? No. Why? Because it is a neutral oxide. And thank God it is neutral. Otherwise, we would drink water and continuously burp.